Hello everyone, welcome to a new session on assembly using Onshape. Today we are going to do assembly of a simple thing which is a knuckle joint. Okay, so it has only four components and the assembled view will be like this. You can see this is a knuckle joint. It is already assembled. You can see here. It has only four components: a fork end, a single eye end, then a pin. And we will first start with the fork, double end fork, then we'll do the single eye, and then the pin is quite easy. Pin and quarters are quite easy. We have all the dimensions here. You can see this is the dimensions. For making things easy, I already take a portion of this a separate picture, and I already imported here like a knuckle single eye and knuckle fork. So we can use this for the sketching. Otherwise, every time swapping the tab, it will be difficult for us. Okay, so we'll start by clicking here. We'll start with a new part studio. I select front plane as the sketch plane, view normal. I will bring the single eye first. Okay. So the dimensions we can see here. We will start with the sketching with the circle. Make dimensioning. That is 60. And this is 30. So from this two-dimensional drawing, we can see 60-30, and we'll just make a rectangle here, and the width of the rectangle is 33. I'll go for the symmetry constraint. Click the symmetry constraint. Click this line, this axis line, this. It's symmetrically arranged. We have the length here is 145.5. Okay. So we'll make the dimension again. Click here, and make it as 145.5. Right. Okay. So our sketch is finished. We can directly go to the extrude. We can select this face, this face, this face. Okay. I just take symmetry, and the width is 32 here, 32. Okay. So that is 32. So the first portion is completed for a single eye. Then we select this plane as a sketching plane. Make it view normal. We'll draw a circle, and that is from the drawing it is 30. It is 30. and we'll make a line here. Just make the dimension point this corner as 10, point this corner again as 10. I'll make two construction lines for mirroring. Then I'll mirror this first, then again mirror about this axis, this one, this one. I'll go for an extrusion again, a cut extrusion. This, and I make it remove, and dimension as per our drawing is 60. Finished. Again I go for another extrusion of this circle only, and that is 30, front towards front side. Okay, just make this sketch invisible. Alright, so the basic shape we already get. Now we will go for the filleting. The filleting radius is actually 15. Okay. So I select this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, this edge, and finally this edge. I'll go for the fillet and I'll make it 15. Okay, finished. So now we have finished. One more fillet, we have to give this surface a fillet of 3 mm. Okay, that's it. So we have finished the single eye end of the knuckle joint. Now we start with the double eye. For that, again we'll start a new Art Studio. We'll start with sketching in the top plane. View normal. I'll bring the picture first. Okay, so we'll start with a rectangle here. The total length is 23 plus 33 plus 23, that is 79. Then I'll make it symmetry about this. That's the first thing I done. Next is we will draw this rectangle. Okay, so what is the length of that rectangle? We will see. We will go to the sketch and you can see it is 60. Okay, so that's length is 60. It is not shown here, that's why I go there. Okay, so we'll again start with the rectangle. and I'll make the dimension this as what, that is 33. Okay, I'll make symmetry for this rectangle about this axis, not symmetric, and I'll make the dimension for this as 60. Alright, now I move to arc with the center point arc. I'll just select this as the center, this as the one point, and this as the another point. Okay, like that. Again, an arc, this as the center, this as the, this will be the next point. Okay, so you can see it's fully constrained. All right, now again I go for a rectangle. Which I draw somewhere here, and the width is again 33 as per the drawing, that is 33, and I'll make it symmetric about the axis. Okay, this and this are symmetric, and I'll make these point coincidence. Okay, coincident with this. All right, and we have this dimension 160.5. okay, so we'll give that dimension, this center point, and this line will make it as how much, 160.5. all right, okay. Now we go for the extrusion. We'll remove this and we'll select the profile which we wish to extrude. Click this area, and this area. Okay, and we have, what is the length? That will be this radius. Okay, it will be extruded 60. All right, so it's finished. Now we select this face for sketching. We'll bring up that picture again here. All right, so I'll make a, first we'll project all these edges to this face, these all edges to this plane. Okay, so for that you can use the project button in the sketch, click on that, just select this line that is already in the plane, this line, this line, this line, this line, this line. This is already in the plane, no issue. Okay, so now we move to a circle. Just draw a circle and make a tangent, this circle with this, and this circle with this, and the radius as how much, 60. Okay, it is now fully constructed. Again we'll go for another circle with a radius which is concentric to this circle with a radius 30. Okay, that will be finished. Okay, then we go for a rectangle, but we need symmetry, so we will make a construction line here. simply a construction line, and we will make this is symmetry. Okay, and make this dimension as 33. Okay, so that dimension is 33 from here. Okay, so that's it, we have finished. One more thing. Okay, we have finished. Okay, then we can directly go to the extrusion, but here we are removing surface. You can remove this, and you have to select the portions you wish to remove. This portion you want to remove, 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 and this portion you want to remove. Okay, and it should be through all. Okay, finish. Now we just forget to select the middle circle also, so we want to select this also. Okay, finish. So our basic structure is finished. Now we want to go for the chamfering and filleting area. Okay, for that first we will select this as the sketching plane. Normal. If we get this at the center, that will be good, right? So for that we will go to the first extrusion, right? This extrusion where we done it is blind. If we make it symmetric, that will be good. Okay, so that will be good. We'll select this plane for sketch. So this is the advantage of parametric software. So you can go to the history tab and you can make any changes that will be reflected at the remaining nodes in the tree. Click a circle, and that is nothing but 30 dia. Then just what we done there, we'll make lines here. This point, it is 10. As per the sketch, it is 10. And this is also 10 as per sketch. Now we make two reference for mirroring. We mirror about this axis, and again we mirror about this axis. Okay, so we have finished. Now we move to extrusion again. Here cut remove is we required. Click on that, remove this region, and we select the new region. This region, this region, this region, and this region. What is the depth? It is 60 as per the drawing. Finished. Now we again make this sketch visible. We want to extrude this, right? select that as 30 mm. Alright, now we move to the filleting. Select this edge, 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 and fillet. Should be 15 as per drawing. So our fork portion is also finished. We can give one more filleting at this end, that is 3 mm. Alright, so both the portions are finished. We have finished the modeling. Now we move to the assembly part. The assembly portion will be put as a new video. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can just comment on the comment box. I'll try to reach you there. Thank you very much. Bye bye.